Hey, where did my laddus go?
I've actually come to seek your help.
My help?
She came in very quietly and she had one new magical power with her. And because of that power, I could manage to gauge that my magic wand is getting this. My magic wand is made from the branches of a very special tree, which is far, far away from here. But that crooked evil witch has cordoned off the entire forest with her magic shield. That is why I need you to help me.
We'll set out to help you right away, Fairy.
Did you see, kiddos? The magic shield of that wicked witch, it blocked me the moment I tried to enter.
Oh well, Fairy, you don't have to worry at all. We'll go alone from this point.
Trouble can come from anywhere in any form. Make sure you stay alert.
The prey has fallen for my trap. The person for whom I've laid this trap of mine, that beam has walked straight into my trap himself.
I'm feeling very thirsty. Let me drink some water.
Kalia, be careful. That can be dangerous.
Scared at all.
Hey, this way. I'm out here. Ah! You're badly trapped, Chota Bheem.
I thank you all from the bottom of my heart.
Who is that? Rooster? You rooster?
Where has boss gone?
He said he'll be here. Hey, Dholu Bolu, why haven't the two of you got ready till now, huh?
Oh.
Wow, boss, it's you. How am I looking in this costume? Very what? Very beautiful boss. I know.
All the laddus are now ready.
And now we are all set to welcome His Majesty and the Princess.
Jaggu, hide the laddus, or else someone might steal them.
Yes, Raju. A lot of thieves are roaming in the village these days.
Let's go to the palace and start the other preparations.
What a strange feather.
Come on, Jaggu.
Breaking into our boss's house will not spare you. Hey, hold on. Bolu.
Dholu Bolu, this is not a thief. This is our Kalia boss.
Look, what the two of you fools did.
Please forgive us, boss. We thought it was something.
And look here, what you did to this doll. You spoiled the gift I bought for the princess. Useless guys.
No.
Bring the laddus. Throw the laddus. Throw the laddus. Have some laddus.
Just wait. You're stealing my laddus, huh?
Happy eating.
What a laddu.
Run! Run!
Now how do I blame these kids? The laddus are so yummy that you can't help but crave to eat them. What happened, Uncle? Someone's doing weird experiments out there. Oh no, run!
Huh? But who's doing these experiments? Huh?
I am doing them. Look over here. Up here. My name is Raman. Actually, I'm Avi uncle's nephew. And like him, I'm also an expert in science.
Clean up the house. Clean up the house.
And this is my robot called Dumbo.
Dumbo? Why Dumbo?
Because he's an expert in goofing up in every job he does.
Clean up the house.
Hey, stop it! Hey! Huh?
Clean up the house. Clean up, clean up, clean up.
But why is he throwing out everything?
Because I have given him the order to clean up the house.
Clean up, clean up, clean up.
Only Kalia can fix him up.
Clean up the house. Naughty boy. Clean up, clean up, clean up,
What are you
clean up,
doing?
clean up.
Stop hitting me!
How do I stop your Dumbo?
By pressing off his switch.
Huh? Who?
Clean up, clean up, clean up. Iron, iron, iron.
Oh no! He is now going to iron up all the clothes.
So what's the big problem in that?
Well, the problem is Dumbo will also iron those clothes which everyone is already wearing.
Oh!
Iron all the clothes.
What's this? Leave it!
Iron, iron.
Stop! Leave me! Let me go!
Iron.
What are you doing?
Iron.
Leave me!
Iron the
No!
clothes.
No! Leave me alone!
Iron all the clothes. Iron all the clothes. Iron all the clothes. Iron all the clothes. Iron all the clothes.
This is the button to switch him off.
Oh.
94.
Looks like boss is going to touch 100 this time.
Yes, just like Bhim.
Hey boss, just 3 more to go.
And you will touch 100.
Team is lapping up all the praises out here.
And how sad. No one is even looking at you, boss.
You are not the only warrior out here. If you have the guts, try facing off with me, Bhim.
I accept your challenge.
Okay, go.
Look up there! Dark clouds!
This means the sun will shine and there will be rain too.
Finally, there will be some rain in Dholakpur.
And then we'll jump up and down in the puddles. What fun!
Aha, Bhim, children, come, come. Kalia and Dholu Bholu are already here to see my kitchen robot.
Kitchen robot?
Yes, made of glass, my helper in the kitchen can do so many jobs.
Oh, can he even scream like Kalia?
Oh no, what's this? The robot is out of control.
Hey, Dholu Bholu, why are you making him chase me? Oh no!
We were just trying to make an omelette for you, boss.
This way I'll become an omelette myself. Help me! Help me, someone! Help me!
What were you both up to?
Nothing. We had only pressed a few buttons.
Thank goodness you did not press all the buttons.
Is the remote not working properly, Professor Dhoomketu?
No, Bhim, this will not stop now.
But we have to stop it, or Kalia will be in danger. I am sorry, Professor. I only wanted to stop the robot from hurting Kalia, not break
I
it.
know, Bhim. It's good that this glass is of a different kind and I can fix it. I just need to collect all the pieces.
Wow, look at this, Beam. It's like a pretty little rainbow. Remember? Uncle was telling us a story yesterday about how the rainbow got made.
Which story?
The story of a very powerful dragon who made a rainbow in the sky so that he could defeat the cruel Hazak.
Really? And I thought a rainbow is formed when rays of the sun fall on water droplets and turn direction, and that's when we see the 7 colors.
This is something that went over our heads. Huh? As if you both understand everything that you're told. If we did, we would not have been with you. Huh? What did you say? I'll show you both.
Actually, now's the right weather for the rainbow to be seen. But for that, it has to rain too.
What an enjoyable day it was today. I am glad that the professor could reassemble and repair the robot. I think it was quite strange that he too made a reference to the rainbow.
I knew you'd win the relay race, Beam.
You brought victory for our team.
Beam is the fastest.
Earlier we came third in the cycle race and now we came last. You two are so slow. Slow? If we had not given you a push, then forget about coming last. You wouldn't have even completed the race. How dare you talk to me like that? Run away! Wait! Forget it.
Do you think I'm a numbskull? Huh?
No. Of course not, boss. Though I don't know about the numb bit, but you're definitely not just a skull.
You both are going to have it from me. Stop, both of you.
Come on, Kalia. Let them be.
Oh no, our fate doesn't have laddus today. Just hard work.